Let me see a modified version, and as you can see I have modified the batch explorer, and I have added a loading function my computer screen, so you can select in which drive you want to go. And this is the progress bar that I have created Hey, hello YouTube. I'm Karan from Bharat, and in this video I'm going to talk about an old project, or somewhat like when I was a beginner or a newbie in batch, and I was looking on the YouTube for a create batch programs. So I came across this great creation from Mr. GL. So I can't pronounce their name right, so I'm using their initials, Mr. GL. So they have created an amazing batch program, and it's a standalone batch file of 215 kbs. So as you can see here, I have modified many versions. So in the YouTube, if you will go and you will search batch explorer simple, and you will see the first result from Mr. GL and the batch explorer, and they have previewed their usage of the batch explorer they have created. So in the second result you will see batch explorer modifications preview. So the TheBATeam, and you can see the project was a 6-year-old project, and here we have modified it 2 years ago. So now I'm again making a video on it, because in the previous video it was kind of quiet video, so I didn't started talking in the tutorials, so that is why the tutorial is longer. And in this tutorial I'm going to explain more about what I have done in modifying this great project. So you can see and subscribe to their channels, Mr. GL's channel too. So here are the features that I have added, so I'll talk about them. So let me minimize that, and let me launch the batch explorer. So you can see it is closed, so window size is not supported. Yes, I want to continue. Okay, let me see a modified version, and as you can see I have modified the batch explorer, and I have added a loading function my computer screen, so you can select in which drive you want to go. And this is the progress bar that I have created as you can see it is slightly greater than 90%. So here it is showing that it is more than 90 but less than 95, so it is showing this output in the progress bar. So all these things I have created when I was a beginner. So I'm being entering in the E drive. So you can see I'm in the E drive, as the size of the explorer is bigger. So I'm going to, as you can see, it is a CUI based, so I cannot click with mouse, so you need to type the command here. So let me write S and press enter for the settings. Let us change the console screen size, so let me press 3. Let's see, the current settings is 60 cross 159, and that is the recommended size. So let's press enter and go back. So as you can see, row size is bigger than our screen, so let's set the rows, let them to be 40. As you can see, now the screen is about to be inside our resolution. So let's see, the current size is okay. Let's press simply enter. Okay, let me write 80 now, or 157, and let's see, press 3, and you can see we are in the 40 cross 157 settings. Press 4 to go back, and you can change the title of the console and press 1. See, default title is 1, and okay, let's set the title, enter the title you want. Let's see, YouTube tutorial. So here you can see I have changed the title. I am simply applying the title command here, so that's nothing new. But you can see that boxes that are popping up like a list. That's a great output. When I was learning at that stage of time, I learned about creating these outputs, You can see I can you can say I can go through all the options using only the number keys on the numpad. So I can change the text color. Let's change the text color. Which color do you want? Let's see, let's change it to cyan. Let's print B. So the color is changed, and the background color, which color? So let's create a dull combination. Let's use 7, and it will be a worst combination of your time. Oops, as I have already said, it will be the worst combination. So let's change the background color again to, let's say, black, and let it be again. Press 3. We have changed the screen size. Let's see the folder options. So we can also create custom commands, but I don't think that is completed. So as you can see here in the E drive, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 folders, and when you will go in my E drive, you will see 1 2 3 4 5 6 folders, and there are 3 files, but it is not showing these 3 files. To see these 3 files, I think I forgot how to use it. So let's press F, and you can see a file option is opened. So I want to write properties, so let's write properties. Oops, I misspelled that. Let's press F and properties. Whose property do you want to view? I want to view the properties of junk folder, and the junk folder has 23 files with, okay, these are the attributes. So as you can see, these are the folder icons, and let me go into settings, press enter, and let me change the folder options pressing 4. Show hidden items, yes, I want to see the hidden items. Show system files, yes, show system files. And change folder icons. So let's change the folder icons. As I have added these custom options, you can change the folder icons to whatever you want. So I will like them to be number 8. Let's press 8 and press enter. Okay, the folders have changed. Press 4 and exit, save and exit. Okay, I didn't have to press enter there, so let's press 6. Okay, now you can see that what I have changed the folder icons, and YouTube system, it is showing all the hidden folders, but it is not showing the files. So to see files, I think we have to write next. Okay, yeah, in the next screen you will see, in the same folder you will see all the available files. So type single quotes to go on next page. Okay, single quote, and let's type tip. Okay, type battery to see the status. Press bat. Those are the things I have added. So you can see we are still charging, and the battery is 94%. So let's verify that. 93.6, approximate 94. Window is telling 94, so that's a great. So let's see what are the features that I have added. My computer screen, we have seen copying moving while different CMD console screen. Yeah, you can copy and paste files. And user can modify attributes of Explorer window permanently. So as the next run, it has the same attributes set by user. Okay, let me close that and again run that. Yup, the color is coming back with same, and the title is YouTube tutorial. Let's go into the E drive again, and yup, everything is the same. So the settings are saved permanently, and I think I know where the settings are getting saved. It's in the system folder, and yeah, there's the folder Explorer, and you can see here properties. In the properties folder you can see all the changes you have done. So the folder icon, let's open it with Sublime. So the number is 8, the 8 number is saved, so that you can use the folder icon. And okay, And now user can make custom commands. Yep, we have seen that, but we're not going to make any commands right now. Some shortened commands are added, like dot for change directory and single quote for next. Okay, help menu. One more command is added, battery, to see battery use status. Yes, we have seen that. And this is my work from 2 years ago, so I hope you will like it, and you can read all these things, and you can get the explorer and the modified version and the original version you can search on YouTube, batch explorer, and you can get the modified version also. So in the end, I really like their work of Mr. GL, and I really appreciate it. I hope they'll keep doing these projects, and it's been a long time since 6 years. 6 years are a great deal of time, and I hope you like this. And what are your views? Please download this and play with it. So that's all from my side, and you can see there is a feature 15. This is, you can read about that in the letter, so I'm going to upload that. You'll find the link in the description, and any doubt, leave a comment. Please subscribe, please share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching.